I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Freshdesk. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get access token, please visit Freshdesk console. Click on View API key. Copy the API key and paste it here. To get the app domain, navigate to Freshdesk and locate the gear icon. Click on it and go to Portals under the Channels section. Copy the URL and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now do the field mapping. Also, you can do field mapping for contacts. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Status and priority are required. Please select a status and priority value. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Freshdesk. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Freshdesk. Here is the data that came into Freshdesk through the integration. Thanks for watching.